Kevin Middleton, Country Flooring Direct. Thank you for having us come out and put some carpet in for you. This kit is available to you. Please stop by the office. It is your Mohawk cleaning carpet care kit. It is sustainable, people and pet safe, so you can, we don't recommend you consuming it, but you can, and biodegradable. All right, it comes with this cleaning key. Why would we use the carpet cleaning key? We're going to use this to remove solids such as silly putty. Maybe your dog had something going on and it's dry now. Notice we're using upward scraping motion. This removes it from the bottom to the top. Next, we're going to use the cleaner, the Mohawk carpet stain remover. It is safe for consumption. It's also safe for the environment, safe for your pets. And we're going to take the microfiber cloth and we're going to blot, not rub. If you rub, you are liable to distort your carpet fibers. And nobody wants their carpet fibers distorted. Thank you very much for your purchase. Please stop by the office for your complimentary carpet care kit. Thank you.